Suddenly, I got a video where I was watching YouTube. The video claimed that if I play this soundtrack in front of any cats, they will start reacting to this soundtrack. I have made an experiment on it to know actually is it work or not. I saw a cat walking around the backyard, and instantly I played this track in front of the cat, and the cat started reacting to this soundtrack, looking for something like its children or something like that. You can look at the cat carefully in this video, and you can see this. MEOW কি Actually, some baby cats are crying on this video, and I played it loudly. Perhaps the cat is looking for its children, I think. হুম কে এটা কে তোমার খুঁজে পাইতেছ না কোন জায়গায় না আরে